Welcome to DataTerrain. What are the challenges in migrating from Crystal reports to Power BI? Migrating from Crystal reports to Power BI presents a range of challenges, from data transformation to interactive reporting. Let's dive into the key issues you'll encounter and how to tackle them. 1. Data sources and queries. Crystal reports typically relies on direct SQL queries and handles complex, transactional data. Power BI uses Power Query to import, transform, and shape data, emphasizing a more streamlined, summarized approach. Challenge: automated migration of Crystal reports' complex SQL queries, subreports, and data transformations may require extensive rework in Power Query or DAX. 2. Subreports and multiple data sources. Crystal reports support subreports that embed one report within another, often with different data sources. Power BI lacks direct subreport functionality, using relationships between tables for similar outcomes. Challenge: automated migration of Crystal reports' complex SQL queries, subreports, and data transformations may require extensive rework in Power Query or DAX. 3. Interactive vs static reports. Crystal reports generate static, pre-formatted reports. Power BI prioritizes interactive dashboards and drill-down features for data exploration. Challenge: users accustomed to Crystal's fixed layouts may need to adapt to Power BI's dynamic reporting style. 4. Exporting and printing. Crystal reports offers extensive exporting and printing options with precise control over format.g, PDF, Excel. Power BI primarily focused on sharing through dashboards with limited export/print layout controls. Options like PDF or PowerPoint may differ from Crystal's detailed designs. Challenge: replicating specific print/export formats may be difficult, impacting reports with strict layout requirements. 5. Complex formulas and calculations. Crystal reports allows complex formulas and calculations directly in report fields. Power BI uses DAX for calculations, which may require a different approach to achieve similar logic. Challenge: rewriting and adapting complex formulas for DAX during migration can demand significant effort. 6. Data model differences. Crystal reports can connect directly to transactional databases without enforced data modeling. Power BI requires creating an optimized data model with relationships between tables for efficient performance. Challenge: developing a well-structured data model in Power BI is necessary, especially with multiple data sources. Migrating from Crystal reports to Power BI opens new analytical capabilities but requires a strategic approach. DataTerrain specializes in seamless Crystal reports to Power BI migrations. Start your journey with us today. Visit us today to learn how ETL automation can work for you. Book a free demo. https://dataterrain.com